stomach feels so weird. I couldn't even sleep last night. Oh no. I need to run to the bathroom. Oh no. Something I ate yesterday didn't sit well with me. Lily, are you okay in there? I'm fine. I just need some space. All right, I'll go get some flakes. Don't worry, I won't make a mess. All right, Cookie, Lily's not feeling well today. Let's give her some space and grab breakfast. I'll grab some Cocoa Puffs. Promise I won't make a mess. Meow. Oh no, I have so many chores to do today. This is the worst time to be sick. But I guess everything will have to wait. I just want to lay in bed. Here's a bowl in case you don't make it to the bathroom. Aw, thanks, Bella. That's so sweet of you. You can also snuggle with Scrump. But don't throw up on her. That's what the bowl is for. Thanks again. I just need some rest.
Morning, Bella. How's Lily feeling?
Not so good. She needs rest.
All right, let's keep things quiet. I'll make breakfast. How about cereal, eggs, and croissants?
Yum! Sounds perfect.
Cookie, you're not helping.
That's too much syrup, Cookie. No!
It's finished.
She has no manners.
Oh boy, Cookie, off the counter. She's just excited.
Hey, Cookie, let's help Lily out and do the laundry. Wow, that must be from our beach trip. Let's load it up. Cookie, that's not where you belong. Help me out instead. Which one does Mom usually use? Let's go with the orange bottle. It matches my shirt. More detergent means more clean, right? Cookie, press the button. Yay! Teamwork! Oh no! Cookie, grab some towels.
Is everything okay in here?
Kind of.
What happened?
We wanted to help Lily. We did laundry, but now it looks like a soap volcano.
That's a lot of bubbles. Let's clean this up before Lily sees it.
We also made a mess in the kitchen. Cookie wanted pancakes, eggs, and donuts.
That cat eats better than me.
I just wanted cereal like Lily asked.
Let's clean up and then make something nice for Lily.
I'll stir. Cookie, stay off the counter.
Chicken soup time. I've got pasta, chicken stock, carrots, and veggies. Let's let that cook. Time to wash some dishes.
I'll try. Something smells good. Lily, you're up. We made you soup.
And cleaned the kitchen and kinda made a mess, but fixed it.
You guys are the best. Thank you for letting me rest. And this soup looks amazing.
Uh-oh.
Yay! We wanted to make you smile. You totally did. I'm feeling so much better. Oh no! My stomach! I think you may have the same stomach bug I had.
All right, Bella, your turn to rest.
Oh no!